guys, it's your girl Cassie here with an amazing video for you all. Happy Valentine's Day to all my lovelies. I know I'm a bit late, but I still wanted to send my love and do a video for y'all. This video is a get ready with me look for the weekend, whatever it is you're doing, hanging out with your girls or going out on a dinner date with your boo. This is a look you can achieve and have all the eyes turn on you. So before we get into the video, before we go any further, pause, stop, subscribe, hit that button right there, subscribe, thumbs up for your girl, hit those likes, comment down below, and let me know what you're thinking, guys. Let's go, y'all.
I will be going in with my Jacklyn Hill palette. And the colors I will be using from the Jacklyn Hill palette will be Roxanne, Mocha, Chip, and Abyss to start my crease. For my lid, I'm going to be using Walking Heartbeats to go over my lid and blend it out. To go over my lid again, I'm going to be using the Holly Folly color. This one is a metallic color, so it's shimmery, but not messy. I'm going to prime my face with the Hangover primer from Too Faced. My foundation is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation, and my color is NC50. I had to get a pump for this foundation when I initially bought it. It's just really easy. I love pump with foundation. You guys already know, and MAC have that option. Next, I'm using my Fenty Beauty, of course, the Pro Filt'R concealer, and my color is 430. For my contour, I'll be using the Urban Decay Naked Skin contour palette, and I'll be using that dark color, the last one over there, to blend blended out. I went ahead and set my concealer and my contour off camera, and I'm just going to be going in with my MAC Studio Fix powder as well, and my color for the powder is NW45. My blush, I'm using the Apple Red Powder Blush. Once again, this is from their limited line they just had, and this blush is everything. I love it, guys. It's so pigmented and cute on your girl. To line my lips, I'm going to be using the MAC lip liner in the color Nightmoth. For my lipstick, I'm using the Feel So Grand Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color from MAC. Your girl is coming through with that ABH Glow kit with that shimmer.
final look, guys. Hopefully you love it and hopefully you enjoyed it as much as I did. Once again, happy Valentine's. Remember to always show love and share kindness throughout the entire year. Just don't wait for one day, you know. Always be kind and always show love. I love and appreciate y'all. I am so thankful for you guys. Until next time, you all be blessed.